Hey guys, Elena here from Eleanor's Alteration Shop in Thompson. Guess what we're doing? We are actually going to make this long sleeve shirt a short sleeve shirt. That's always a good idea when you have a rip like this. Why throw away the whole shirt if you can make a short sleeve shirt? So, average standard sleeves are 9 inches. So we're gonna measure right here. Here's 9. And then we leave a hemline for 1.5 inches where we can fold over and make a border. So now for the bottom part, you cannot do just 9 over here too. See, it'd be just crooked. So what we do is you measure this part right here, 15. You go 15 and you do right here, and like that it is more cut a corner, so when it's down it be straight. Makes sense? I know it makes sense. You guys got this figured out. Okay, and then we do same hemline over here, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches here. There we go. You grab your ruler and you make a straight line. There. Do the same thing in the back. And that's where you be cutting, and then I'll meet you back at the sewing machine. See you in a bit.
Fill your home with holiday spirit all season long. Back to nature this season.
Are you feeling sluggish or weighed down? Metamucil's new fiber plus collagen can help. When taken daily, it supports your health.